Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll tackle a common issue many Excel users face, converting numbers stored as text into actual numeric values. You might find numbers are stored as text in Excel when data is imported from other systems, copied from external sources, or accidentally formatted as text. This can cause errors in calculations or make sorting and filtering data more difficult. But don't worry, we'll fix it. Method 1. Convert to number option. The easiest method is the Convert to Number option that Excel offers. First, highlight the cells with the numbers stored as text. You might see a small warning icon appear next to the cell. Click the icon and select Convert to Number. And just like that, your text values are now numbers. Method 2. Multiply by 1. Another simple technique is multiplying the value by 1. Let me show you how. In a new column, enter the formula, equals multiply A1 by 1. This will force Excel to treat the value as a number, and the result will be a proper numeric value. Drag the formula down to convert all your text-based numbers in one go. Method 3. Paste Special. Add 0. The Paste Special method is another fast way to convert text to numbers. Here's how. Copy any blank cell and select the range of cells you want to convert. Right-click, select Paste Special, and in the dialog box, choose Add under Operation. Click OK, and Excel will add 0 to each value, converting them into numbers. Method 4. Text to Columns tool. The Text to Columns feature is perfect for converting a range of numbers stored as text in bulk. Select the cells you want to convert, then go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. In the wizard, choose Delimited and click Finish. This automatically converts your text to numbers. Method 5. Using the Value function. Lastly, let's look at using the Value function. The Value function converts text that appears as numbers into actual numeric values. Simply enter the formula equals value A1 in an empty cell, and you'll see the number displayed properly. You can drag this formula down the column for multiple conversions at once. And that's it! Now you know several ways to convert text to numbers in Excel. For best practices, always double-check the format of your data when importing it or copying it from other sources. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.